Tolong.
She said, 'cause I really need somebody. So tell me you're that somebody, girl. I fuck who I want.
Oh. Catch it.
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Ma! Mamá! Ah, โทรบินไป
Toma.
Hiciste del baño otra vez. Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina.
People, stop. I'm going to show your mum.
Bájate. Bájate. No me rezongues. No, ni te hagas el cara bonita. Bájate.
Así la viene poner. Para no agarrar las cosas. Váyase por allá. Siéntese de aquí.
Being a bad boy. You want me to call mom? I'm gonna call mom. Mom!
Kayla, get your boy.
Drop it now.
Can you spot a dumbass bitch? Hi, can I get a drink?
Sorry, he's new.
People, stop. I'm going to show your mum.
What happened? Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's new. Oh, okay.
Oh, Dwayne, get out of my bed. Get out. Mom!
Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Oh, what?
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new. Sorry.
Ay, me duele. ¡Ma!
What?
What did you do? You were
It looks so cute. Put it here, okay? Oh no. Okay.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment. You look like a potato.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Mama.
He's gonna bite you, bro. He's gonna bite you, bro.
What do you think we should get from the store? Milk? Maybe some dog food? Probably some cocaine?
Ducky, this is Max. Y'all could be friends.
La puntura.
We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Please ensure the safety of our team members and customers. We thank you for respecting each other and
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
I get into stuff is you can find stuff. What is it?
In the world, you should keep it in a closet.
I'm ready for a Johnson? Hell no.
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show up.
Pass this snake. I can't walk. Whoa!